Okay, let's do this example from gravitational field. The question says, what is the force of attraction between two masses 5 kg and 8 kg at a distance of 60 centimeters apart? So before we start our solving and to know the formula that suits this question, we are going to write down the quantities down. So let's do that. Now that I have written the quantities down, we have that mass, capital letter M, is giving us 5 kg. Small mass is giving us 8 kg. And distance apart, R, is giving us 60 centimeters. So now we all know that mass is measured in kilogram. So these quantities are correct with their units. But distance is measured in meters, not in centimeters. So we are going to convert these 60 centimeters to meters. To do so, we are going to divide the centimeters, that is the 60 centimeters, by 100 because we are converting to meters. It is wrong to calculate this equation with this unity because distance is measured in meters, so you must convert it to meters before any other thing. So we now convert. We say 60 divided by 100 and it's going to give us 0.6 meters. So this is our distance. In calculating this question, we are going to be using 0.6 meters, not 60 meters. So our R, which is the distance, is now 0.6 meters. Look at it here. So the next thing is to write down our equation of force of attraction. The equation of force of attraction, F. Now, the equation for force of attraction, F, is given as product of gravitational constants and the two masses divided by the square root of their distance apart. So from this question, we are given our masses to be 5 and 8, and also our distance apart is given as 0.6 meters, and G is our constant. G is constant. So the value for our G, the gravitational constant, is given as 6.7 times 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter per kilogram square. So if you watch our question now, the G, that is the gravitational constant, is not given here. Since it is constant, you have to memorize the value so that in any given question, if it is not given, you know that it is this value. From this equation, we now arrive at this step. 6.7 times 10 raised to the power minus 11 is our G here in the equation. Multiplied by 5. The 5 is now the first mass in the question. Multiplied by 8. The 8 now is the second mass which is in the question. Divided by our distance apart. And we have that our distance apart is 0.6 meters. And the square is from the equation. So now, if you punch these values in your calculator, you're going to have 7.4 times 10 raised to the power minus 9 Newton. The Newton here is the unit for force. So therefore, our force F is equal to 7.4 times 10 raised to the power minus 9 Newton. And this is our final answer.